Good morning and welcome back to the HG Real Estate Show with Mr. Grimm. This morning, I will discuss the struggle first grade students face. Every year, children enter first grade with different experience, ability, and level of readiness. While some students adjust quickly, others find the transition difficult. They may struggle with reading, math, behavior, attention, confidence, or making friends. Too often, people see struggling students and focus on what the child cannot do. Behind every struggle is a story, and behind every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Today, I will explore how parents, teachers, and community can recognize the sign of struggle and provide the support children need to succeed. On the first day of first grade, Larry sat quietly at his desk while the other students eagerly participated in class activities. When the teacher asked students to read aloud, Larry looked down at his book and avoided eye contact. As the week passed, Larry continued to struggle. Reading assignments seemed impossible, and he often became frustrated. When asked to complete his work, some classmates began to think he didn't care. What they didn't know was that Larry had changed school twice in the previous years. He missed important learning experience and was trying to catch up while adjusting to a new environment. Fortunately, his teacher noticed more than his struggle. She noticed his determination. She worked with him after class, celebrated small victories, and encouraged him to keep trying. By the end of the school year, Larry wasn't the strongest reader in the class, but he had gained confidence and made significant progress. The difference wasn't that his challenge disappeared. The difference was that someone believed in his ability to grow. Disclaimer: the information shared in this episode is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Every child is unique, and individual circumstances may vary. This content should not replace professional, educational, psychological, or medical advice. Parents and caregivers are encouraged to consult qualified professionals regarding specific concern about a child's development or academic progress. My mission is to help children reach their full potential by raising awareness, fostering collaboration, and providing practical strategies to support learning and development. Every child deserves an opportunity to succeed, and every caring adult can play a role in helping that happen. Let's be honest, struggling students are often misunderstood. Sometimes we assume they are lazy when they are overwhelmed. Sometimes we assume they are unmotivated when they are discouraged. Sometimes we focus so much on their weakness that we overlook their strength, consistency, and support. A child who struggles today is not destined to struggle forever. Children grow at different rates. They learn in different ways. What they need most is patience, encouragement, consistency, and support. When adults work together to identify challenging early and provide meaningful assistance, struggling students can make remarkable progress. Success doesn't always happen overnight, but every step forward matters. This week, identify one child who may be struggling academically, socially, or emotionally. Take the time to encourage that child. Celebrate a small success. Often support instead of criticism. Ask for the help needed rather than focusing on what went wrong. Your encouragement may be the very thing that helps a child continue forward. Thank you for joining me this morning at the HG Real Estate Show with Mr. Grimm. Remember, struggling is not a permanent condition. It is a moment in a child's journey. With the right support, guidance, and opportunity, children can overcome challenges and achieve success. If you found this value this morning discussion, please share this episode with parents, educators, caregivers, and anyone who works with children. Together, we can create a learning environment where every child feels supported, valued, and capable of success. Our email is hgrealisticpodcast@gmail.com. Until next time, keep believing in children, keep supporting their growth, and keep making a difference, one child at a time. From the HG Realistic Show, thank you and have a blessed day.